Hello, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to switch between mileage and kilometers for measurements, depending on what works best for you. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, and then from here, we want to make sure we're in settings. So if you need to, you can go to settings by clicking through here and press and hold, and then go to units, and I'm scrolling with this. And then press, go down to distance, select. Right now it's in miles. If you want kilometers, there you go, and it should adjust it in real time. So if I went all the way back out, it's going to show kilometers right now, but I'm in the United States, so I need to put it back to miles, and that's it. There's miles there. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.